Recently, I received a question about what is happening when some of you create a breakpoint and try to get to debug mode. So let's say what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to execute a program, and instead of opening up a instead of opening up a debugger window where you are supposed to do that investigation, something like this happens. You get opened, or SAP drives you into something that is called classic ABAP debugger, which looks more like a in an ancient times, and you are not able to do the debugging in a way that I was showing you before. The reason why is the following. Right down here in the bottom left corner, SAP is telling us that no additional external session available for new ABAP debugger. What it means is that inside of SAP you can open up to 6 sessions or up to 6 windows, and if SAP tries to open up a new window, seventh one, SAP is not able to do that. So that's why SAP is giving you an option to get to debug mode, but in a classic mode. This one or this debugging window was used like back in like 10, 20 years ago, and it's not used that much anymore. Actually, I don't know people who are still using that. So the solution to this is to close one of the windows. So for example, I will use like this is the window opened, sixth one. So let me just close it right now. Once I have 5 sessions opened or less, then I can go back to debugging and I can switch to standard ABAP debugger. So now what's going to happen is that I'm going to open up debugger in a way that you have seen already inside of this training. Let me just pull it here. Okay, so now you can do the debugging as you have seen it in previous programs. If you will have any questions like this, feel free to let me know so that I can help you answer any of them. Bye for now.